Hey, this is Eli, aka Devoted Day Trader. Today I chose the wrong stocks and I was stopped out. I traded MU and QGen. So the first trade was on MU. I took a long once I saw that it bounced off the 200, but once it lost the 200, I stopped out. So this was the first trade. My second trade was on QGen. So QGen, I was watching it in the open, and my plan was to go short if if the stock opened bearish. And I was watching it in the open because the 200 was way below, so I figured that we could probably get to the 200. And QGen was in play because there is talks that the stock is going to be acquired, but I was short biased on QGen because for the past 3 trading days it moved from low 32s to the 40s. On the weekly chart we have this big bar. This is last week's price action on the weekly chart, so I thought we could potentially get to the 200. And when I saw these two topping tails in the open, I went short, but then it squeezed and I got stopped out. But then once I realized it was a false squeeze, I jumped back in. We violated pre-market low, and I went back short. And the plan was to hold this all day. In fact, once I saw that it was a consolidating at low of day, yesterday's high, I just put a range order and walked away, and it just kept consolidating the entire day, and I was stopped out. It pretty much came back to my break even, and I got stopped out at my break even. So these were the trades today. 3 trades. Unfortunately, they didn't work out, but I am liking the fact that I'm following my rules. So despite being stopped out today, I'm not really too upset about it. I mean, it's a slightly frustrating, but the fact that I'm sticking to my rules and the fact that I'm not doing or making emotional, reckless decisions, I'm happy about that. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.